Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Poonam and I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle, makeup videos on every Friday and sometimes bonus videos around the week. So before going ahead with this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Well, today's video is nothing else. Today I'll post some beginner abs exercise. Like, I'm not professional, I have just started working out. I might make some mistakes, but I want to inspire through this video is that nothing is impossible for anybody. So if you want to achieve something, you can achieve. The beginner abs exercises is pretty simple. It won't include much heavy workout with abs, because if you start with heavy workout with abs, you might get cramps, and which will result that you won't be able to work out next day. So better to start with very light abs exercises, which I'll be showing you guys today. And yes, it might be helpful to you guys. And yes, see you at the gym, guys. Right now I'm going there, and yes, I'll see you there. Or probably I won't be able to talk over there, but yes, you can see what are the exercises I'm doing. You can also start doing that if you are planning to go to gym. This will really help you guys, and this will probably, if I was there at your place, probably this video would have been helped me. So that's all, guys. I'll see you at the gym. I'm back from the gym, and yes, I also did full crunches and plank, which I was unable to record because my battery was pretty low and I didn't carry any camera. So the thing is that that's all what I did, along with some full crunches and plank. That video I will post very soon, like my second abs workout session. I will post it very soon, so stay tuned for that. And yes guys, with that I finish my beginners light abs workout for you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post videos on my channel. And yes guys, love you so much. Take care and bye bye.